Well, we have here the VonHaus 12-volt ratchet wrench. Bought off of eBay here. Go ahead and do an unboxing and a real quick review just to kind of take a peek at it. I already took the main plastic off the box, but I haven't opened it yet here. Okay, so you get the owner's manual. Everything's wrapped up real nice. Let's take a peek. Nice battery. 12 volt max, lithium-ion. Pretty standard. Plastic feels kind of cheap on it, but that's alright. Charger. Pretty cheap and hollow. I guess that's to be expected. So this output 13.5, 1500 milliamps, so 1.5 amps. And let's make sure it fits in there nice. Nice and snug. You definitely hang that on the wall like that, and this will stay in there pretty snug. Won't fall down or nothing. And let's go ahead and take a peek at the wrench itself here. This actually feels pretty nice. So a little switch here. Does that lock it up or something? Yep. Okay, so it's got a lock here, I guess, so kids get a hold of it or something like that, or you're storing it in a toolbox that's messy and maybe don't want to let it sit there and run the battery. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it does. Let's make sure the reverse is good. Yeah, seems to be pretty good. I will do another video here when I get a minute to take it out to the garage and get some use out of it. Alright, thanks for watching.